Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Radioactif is a fascinating tool. It's essentially a graph database, but with a really unique approach to visualizing and interacting with information. Think of it like a mind map, but on steroids. Instead of just connecting ideas with lines, you can create rich relationships between nodes, add properties, and even embed entire documents or web pages within the graph. One of the things that sets Radioactif apart is its focus on collaborative knowledge management. You can invite others to work on your graphs, share your insights, and build a collective understanding of complex topics. It's a powerful way to brainstorm, research, and develop ideas together. The interface is incredibly intuitive. You can easily drag and drop nodes, create connections, and add content. The visual nature of the graph makes it easy to see the big picture and understand how different pieces of information relate to each other. It's also highly customizable, allowing you to tailor the look and feel of the graph to your specific needs. Radioactif is particularly useful for researchers, writers, and anyone who works with large amounts of information. It's a great way to organize your thoughts, connect ideas, and discover new insights. While it might have a slight learning curve initially, the benefits are well worth the effort. It truly unlocks a new way of thinking and working with information. I found it invaluable for mapping out complex projects, exploring new ideas, and collaborating with others. It's definitely a tool worth checking out. With its unique blend of visualization, collaboration, and knowledge management, Radioactif has the potential to revolutionize the way we think and work. If you're looking for a powerful and intuitive way to manage your knowledge, then give Radioactif a try. You might just be surprised at what you discover.